What if I told you there's one simple question that could completely change how you lead? It's not it's not an early leadership manual or a performance review, but it's the key to your personal growth and your team's trust. What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to talk about the most powerful question a leader can ask themselves and why your willingness to ask it might just be your greatest leadership edge. So, the question, most powerful question, is what is it like to be led by me? Most leaders, we don't ask that question because we fear the answer that we're going to receive. We assume that our intent is obvious, but here's the thing: without feedback or reflection, we're operating blind. So, what I want you to do is what I call a leadership mirror practice. And with that practice, it's going to provide you some tools to where you can do a monthly self reflection. However, that involves getting feedback from your team. And the way to get that feedback is you have to get it anonymously. Now, this is the key. It has to be anonymous. And your team has to know that it's anonymous, or they will not be truthful with that feedback. They'll, instead of telling you what you need to hear, they'll tell you things that you probably want to hear. And that's not good because we want to get better. We want to improve our leadership. We want to be able to grow ourselves. So in order to do that, we have to be receptive of the feedback that we receive from our team. Not only does that build trust, but that also helps with your own personal growth. We are trying to grow, right? All right. So make sure you get the feedback anonymously. Make sure you get your feedback anonymously from your team. Self-reflect each month. Now, keep a journal of that and always try to improve. My friends, leadership isn't about perfection. It's really about your presence. You have to ask yourself every day, how am I showing up? What am I giving to my team? How am I leading? So the next time something feels off, before you point outward, what I need you to do is point inward. Ask yourself, what is it like to be led by me right now? If this resonated with you, leave a comment with the question that you'll be asking yourself more of. Subscribe for more bold, reflective leadership content each week. This is ASO Leadership Solutions, where bold leadership begins with empathy and emotional intelligence. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next week.